Award-winning music producer and Chillspot Records co-founder Levels has broken silence on his ordeal after his ex-girlfriend Ashley Sheshel Moyo leveled rape allegations against him. Hello and welcome back to Zimbo Trends. Sheshel, 23, lodged the complaint against Levels, 33, at Borrowdale Police Station. Speaking through his legal representative, Levels said he is unfazed by social media speculation and he is ready to comply with the police. We cannot rely on social media speculation. We are still waiting to hear from the police. We will comply with the police once we have been approached, said Levels' legal representative. Levels knows that he needs to tread with care as he's walking through a very slippery ground. Women are insanely protected in society, and this particular girl is daughter to a high-level politician.